Hi friends, this is Dharna Shah from Creative Den, and today I am here with my daughter and we will be showing you how to make these quick, easy and colorful bookmarks. So let's get started without wasting any time. To make bookmark, you need a strip of paper. This paper has to be thick paper. It cannot be a thin and flimsy paper. It has to be a thick paper. And on this paper, you can draw any design that comes to your mind. You can do some impromptu work, or you can also plan and draw, but it has to be something very simple, so that in my case, my daughter will be coloring it. So if you are going to involve your kid for coloring, then make sure that the design is very simple and not complicated. This can be a very good activity, a very fun activity for your kid to do. They can color it, and then at the end of it, when they will have something beautiful like this in their hand, they'll be really happy. So keeping the shapes very bold and simple, this is what I have drawn. Now I will ask my daughter to color these parts, all these parts with different colors, so that it's very beautiful. So Urja, can you color this bookmark? And while she is coloring, you can use pencil colors or sketch pens. Like in this one I have used sketch pens, so you can use pencil colors or sketch pen to color these up. So while she's coloring the bookmark, we can go ahead and I'll show you what has to be done next. So Urja, you start coloring these. Put red over here, orange over here, blue, purple, and go ahead. Okay. So once the bookmark is colored, it will look something like this. In this one I have used triangle shape, and after that, after coloring, I have done some doodling over here. So this is what I decided to do in this bookmark. These are very simple patterns, very simple designs, but they will look good once the bookmark is completed. So I'll show you how I did it. Once I decided what I want to do, I am just going to repeat these patterns over here. Very simple patterns, yet very satisfying. This is really something that you will enjoy doing. So fill up the colored parts with these patterns. You can use a black marker or a black sketch pen or a technical pen, whatever is available with you. The good part about these bookmarks is that they can be made with very few things, minimalistic material. You don't need anything fancy to make. You just need to have paper, colors, and a black sketch pen or a marker. Excuse me. So this is how it will work. See, I'm doing whatever is coming to my mind. This is not something that I have really planned. I did draw whatever I wanted to make, but this is not something very perfect. You have to just give it a try. So in the similar way, you will go ahead and complete the entire bookmark. Bookmarks can be made in different ways and styles. You can have different shapes and sizes of bookmarks, and if you have more material available with you, you can go ahead and stick things on your bookmark. You can try different materials, like you can make a bookmark out of a an ice cream stick, or maybe some other handmade paper, whatever is available with you. Okay, so this is the way you can go ahead and fill up your entire bookmark, and it will look something like this. Another variation that you can do is, what I have done over here in this one is that I drew all the shapes first. I used a leaf shape. I drew the leaf shape, and then I have gone ahead and filled colors, and then after that I did all the doodling, and then whatever white part was left, I have cut that white part with the help of a scissor. So this becomes like a cutout. This looks like a cutout bookmark. See, this is the way I did it. And then here are few more examples of what all can be done. This was just making some flowers, very big bold flowers, and coloring them. In this one, my daughter has made the background. She colored the background with watercolors, and then I have just done the doodling on top of it. Similarly, in this one, she did the background with watercolors. It was a very random background. She has just put some color swabs everywhere, and on top of that I have done all the ink work with the pen. I have drawn all these swirls with the help of a pen. What I'm using over here is a high-tech point Pilot pen. So you can use any pen. You can use the sketch pen also. If you have those thin markers, permanent markers, you can use that also, and you can make beautiful bookmarks like this. So if you like our video and if you want us to share more such videos, then please like our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, follow us on Instagram, check our Facebook page, like it, follow us over there also, and we will keep posting whatever we can share with you. Thank you so much.